If you've seen the Temu free gift offer, but you're not sure how it actually works, or why it's not working for you, this will make it simple because most people either overcomplicate it or miss one small step that changes everything. So in this video, I'll explain how the Temu free gift system actually works and the easiest way to get started. Before we go further, the latest working Temu free gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. How it actually works. Let's keep this simple. Temu free gift is not a random giveaway. It's a step-based system. That means you enter a promotion, you complete actions, you unlock rewards gradually, so it's not enter code, get free item instantly. It works like this. Enter, activate, then follow steps, then unlock. Why it feels confusing. Most people get stuck here. They open Temu, start browsing normally, and expect the free gift system to show up. But sometimes it doesn't, and that's where confusion starts. The small step that changes everything. Temu tracks how you enter the app. If you enter normally, you stay in shopping mode, and the free gift system may not appear. That's why some people never even see it. Part 2, the easy way to get started. Here's the simple method. Step 1, enter through the right link. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift system. Step 2, activate the session. Once the page opens, follow the activation step. Now your session is linked to the promotion. Step 3, open Temu. After that, open the app. You should now see free gift section, reward screen, item selection. If not, try again once. Step 4, enter the code. Now enter the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current campaign. Step 5, follow the steps. Now, just follow what Temu shows, browsing, offers, tasks. This is how progress unlocks. What to expect. Let's be real, the system works. People are getting items. It's simple once you understand it. It's not always instant. Some steps take time, rewards can vary. Final takeaway. If this felt confusing before, it's not because it's complicated. It's because one step was missing. Fix the entry, follow the system, and everything becomes much easier. Try this method and comment what you see. Did the free gift section finally appear for you?